Well, let's try to go into a little bit of detail on that, and just kind of for the listeners, so they can have a better understanding of kind of what role you play in the process, and maybe take some type of example of tokenizing some piece of real estate or something, and kind of give us the start to finish.
Sure. Yeah. So I want to make it clear we're a governance, risk, and compliance solutions company first and foremost. Now, that manifests itself as tokenization in how we do business, because once the attorneys listen to our approach and what we're doing with a client that's contemplating a securities offering that is designated by a token on a blockchain, which is really what we're talking about when we say token offering, right? Or tokenization. You're tokenizing an asset, but ostensibly it's through a special purpose vehicle or some corporate entity or some instrument that would be, very much denoted as a security under really any jurisdictional view of what constitutes a security. How we track and manage the ownership and possession of that security is kind of, really immaterial. People are really hung up on, oh my God, we got to, custody tokens. I got hit up, this past week because of all the infrastructure bill. Stakeholders, partners, like, oh, what's this going to do to you guys? I'm like, nothing. We're the scribes. We're the records management company. So we're the solution that the broker hires, right? Uses. What the piece of paper hanging on the wall says, because the government, gave you the license to do whatever. That's immaterial. You could, manage all this data with a 3-ring binder. Case in point, there are still transfer agents in the securities industry that are, the ultimate say-so in a post-trade settlement process that literally run their back